as the deafening silence of solitude grows. The tick of the clock pounds on my ever-fleeting soul, and the silent slave master cracks his whips and ticks, for few thoughts pass through this mind that are free from its ever-tightening grips. Days, hours, minutes, and seconds, time sits and beckons. The sands of time are fleeting fast, but somehow the ticks grow silent as I make sandcastles with my past. Please, please, someone tap on the glass and pull me from this ever-growing mass. For if I dwell in these moments much longer, I may lose myself. For the moments that make a man are now, and now, and now. So let your past self be your teacher, and take note of the things you have missed in those moments, but leave them your condolence, because each moment was meant for itself. So to dwell on what was not meant for you will only hold you back from the riches to come. So pick up your head and take note of the words that I've said. I love you. Your brother.